Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 21st, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some parsley seeds today. So I already soaked my parsley seeds for 48 hours, changing the water twice, and that helps to get rid of a germination inhibitor that is naturally on parsley seeds. So you want to make sure that the water that you use to soak your parsley seeds in, you just go ahead and discard it. You don't want to dump it over your soil, or you're going to have germination issues. So I have my container here filled with a Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And if I can find a link for this, I'll put it down in the description. And you can see my parsley seeds here. So I'm just going to pick these out of the water here. And I'll put them on top. And parsley seeds normally germinate in about 7 to 14 days. And I'm doing about 3 seeds per cell. So you can see I have my seeds in here. So I'm going to finish planting these. I'll come back and I'll show you what to do next. So I wound up putting more than 3 seeds per cell. And you can actually see this seed here has already started germinating in the water. So I'm going to be careful with this one when I cover it. I'm just going to gently cover it here with a very light covering. And that's what I'm going to do with all of my seeds here now. It's going to gently give a light coating over them. Now, if I wind up with extras, which I am going to, I will just divide them out of the pack, or I'll divide them out when I transplant them. So when I get these all covered, I will be putting them on the heated floor in the greenhouse in a box with a loose covering over it. And as soon as they start germinating, I'll come back and I'll show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is April the 6th, 2021. And on March 31st, my parsley seeds started germinating. You can see I have some here. And I have some over here. So I took these off of the floor and I took them out of the container that I had them in, and I put them up here on the shelves in the greenhouse. Now when these start getting their true leaves, I am going to start feeding them. I'm going to use Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and I'm going to feed them once a week with that. And then I'm also going to be feeding them with a product called Sea Magic. And I'll be feeding them with that every 2 weeks. Now, if you don't want to use the Miracle-Gro, you can use the Sea Magic. And Sea Magic is classified as an organic product. And I'll have links down in the description for those 2 products. And by feeding your seedlings, it helps to establish a healthy root system on them. Helps the plants to grow. I use the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, so there's no food in my seed starting mix. So in order for the seedlings to be able to continue growing, you need to apply a supplemental fertilizer to them after they come up. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more video updates. I'm going to show them to you. Now, one thing when feeding your plants, you never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on it. So you always want to make sure that your soil is nice and moist before you feed your plants. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!